Hey guys, so today we are going to figure out what item is better for what. So let's just cut to the point. So what item is better at mining, killing, and that's really it, because that's all I can think of, obviously. So let's test every ore out on these two. First, we'll obviously be getting on this pickaxe. Let's just grab that. This is too big of a grappler to be using in there, so obviously I have to get the tiny hook shot out. Yo, matches my skin. Okay, so then I'm gonna need the white and come on, some level profit. Okay, let's go straight to the point. Every item that is here. This is actually a grappler. It doesn't even get in the way as well. It just has a smaller radius. You're like Spider-Man with this thing. Yeah. Okay, so first item, copper. It obviously one hits. I know it's this way. Getting a little bit of profit. Next up, silver. That's a 2-hit. Next is amethyst, or research my ore. 1 hit. I think it's all the same. Obviously, we have to test that on every ore. I want to try and test that on every ore, but that will just make the video so much more longer and boring. Nice. Gold is a 2-hit. And that's all the ores I'm going to do for now. So let's just head out here and yeah. Hey guys. No, I know you love it. Only haven't seen me, but you have to die. So I'm trying to get down. Whoa, 12 hits to kill an Armstrong. That's just good. That is very, very good. Now, next item is the Minecraft pickaxe. Minecraft pickaxe. Let's just get this piece of junk out of here. Good pickaxe and all that. This one was being free. And there's a new item. Go check out my other video if you want to see. The TNT and how I unlock it. It's literally the first item you'll see. Okay, Minecraft pickaxe. Let's go. I don't know if they will be the same. Let's just go copper first. Copper, 1 hit. every other item we already tried out. Okay. Silver. Iron. 2 hit. Amethyst. 1 hit. Let's just get the kill done. 1, 2, 3. 14. Oh, I got a bit low there. No, it's just sort of final ore now. Is gold. Let's do this. 1, 2. Now, overall, I think the winner is. How's the spider here? What? Overall, I think the winner is definitely looks. I'm also gonna add looks in there. So Minecraft pickaxe wins because it's Minecraft. If you like the other one, it's entirely your choice. So, like to make it the other pickaxe, like to make it a normal pickaxe, subscribe to make it Minecraft pickaxe. And that's all from me.